Hello and welcome to this demonstration of using on-premise management with HPE OneView. Now, during this demonstration, we will be showing you how to deploy and configure the HPE OneView appliance. We're going to be creating some software-defined resources using OneView. So we're going to be adding an enclosure. We're going to be creating and managing server profiles and templates. We're going to be managing storage systems. We're going to show you how to transfer server profiles, and we'll also do some navigating around the OneView environment so you can see how that works. So the first thing I'm going to do is to deploy the OneView appliance. So as you can see, I've got vCenter open already, and I simply go to File, Deploy OVF Template, and click Browse, and I'm going to select the OVA file that has my appliance in it, and that's this one here. Click Open, Next, and Next. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to select the 3-PAR data store. I'm going to choose to thin provision, save a bit of space. I'm going to select my network, and in this case it's going to be the management network. And when I click Next, just review the details and click Finish. That's going to take a few moments to create the appliance. So we'll pause and we'll be back with you shortly. And we've rejoined the appliance deploying process. As we can see from the bottom of the screen, it's at 99%. So in just a few seconds, the appliance will have been created. What we'll then do is, there we go, it's just finished, completed. So we will now right click the appliance, power, and power on. Now this is going to take between 10 and 15 minutes for the appliance to become active. So what we'll do is we'll open the console on the appliance, and in about between 10 and 15 minutes we will see that the appliance will be live. So we will pause until that time. And here we are, about 15 minutes later, the OneView license is being displayed. So I'm going to read all of this, of course, and looks reasonable to me. Click on Agree, and then I'm going to have Authorized Services Access enabled. Click OK. And here I am at the login screen for HPE OneView. Now I'm going to log in with the default credentials, administrator, and the default password is admin. Now we're going to be prompted to change this password at first login. So I'm going to set myself a new password here. And click OK. And now I need to set up some details for the appliance. I'm going to call it oneview.mgmt.hp.local. I'm going to have a manual assignment of IP address. I'm going to give it 192.168.20.25, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, so /24. The gateway address 192.168.20.1, and my DNS server is 192.168.20.1. So quickly check that. I'm not going to set any of the IPv6 parameters. I'll just click OK. Just take a few moments for these settings to be saved. So while we're doing that, I'm going to open the browser and I'm going to navigate to https://oneview.mgmt.hp.local. Let's just go back to the console window a moment. So it's still updating the settings. Okay, so we just returned and the appliance is now up and running. So I'm going to close down this console window and go across to my browser and accept the warning, and that's going to give me a login page, and I'm going to log in with my username administrator and with the new password that I set a moment ago. And here we are, we're at the HPE OneView dashboard. So that concludes the first part of this demonstration, which is deploying the OneView appliance from the OVF template. What we're going to do in the next video is show how to create some software-defined data center resources using HPE OneView. So we'll see you in the next video.